Hi friends, welcome to Info Helpers. Today I'm going to show you how to change the wireless name of your Geo router. Uh, you can change the Geo router wireless name from your mobile app, or if you want to change from your system, you can change. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the wireless name of your Geo router from your system. Okay. To do that, friends, first we have to connect with your wireless router. Okay. Once you connected, let me show you how to get connected with your wireless router Geo wireless router. Okay. Click on wireless options. Here you will see list of all the wireless names or wireless networks which are nearby you. So I have a Geo Fiber. I have a wireless name which is called Geo Fiber AJ405G, which is my router which is my Geo router name. Okay, let me connect here. Okay, once I connect with this, it will ask you if you have not entered any password, it will ask you for the password, but I have entered already password, so that is the reason it's not asking any password here. Okay, so once you enter the password, it will connected here. So after that, we have to log in into browser. Okay, first you should know the default IP address of the router. You can Google, you can search in the Google of Geo router and enter the model details, and you will get the default IP address of the device or router. Okay, for Geo router, the default IP address comes with a 192.168.29.1. Okay, you have to enter this address into any any browser. Okay, once you enter this, it will ask you for the user ID and password. Okay, this is not the as usual. Okay, you have first you should know the user admin default admin and password. To check this one, you please refer my previous video. Okay, which shows like what will be the default user ID password for Geo router, and how to change the default user ID and password of Geo router. Okay, so I have changed already, so I have logged in with the admin, and my password is I'm entering here. Okay, once you enter, you will be seeing the login page of Geo router. Okay, here friends, you will be seeing all the configuration. You have to go to network, go to wireless. Okay, here you see, right, we have already seen here like Geo Fiber. These are the list of wireless names which you can give to your wireless router. Okay, for now we have enabled two wireless names. One is with 5 gigahertz and one is with 4 gigahertz name. Okay, 2.4 gigahertz. So if I want to change any of the any one of the wireless name to my own user defined name, I can click here, or you can directly go to profiles. Okay, go to profiles and select the SSID name or wireless name. Click on that, right click on that and click edit option. Okay, it will ask you, so existing wireless clients will be disturbed if any modifications are done. Definitely friends, why? Because like when you change the wireless names, the devices which are connected to with these names all will be disconnected. Okay, so for now I will make sure like no device is connected, and I am changing my user wireless router name. Okay, click OK, and here you will see the profile name, SSID name, and here you can also change the password of that wireless. Okay, so I will enter info helpers 5 gigahertz router. Okay, and I will enter my I can also change the password here. I can change the password to anything. I can give super as my like favorite password, super@123, super@123. Okay, which is the easiest one. Okay, and in this way we can change the user wireless name of your router. Okay, and click on save. Once you click on the save button, you will be disconnected from your wireless you will be disconnected from your Geo router. Okay, click on wireless option again, and now you will be seeing Info Helpers 5G as a default name. Okay, new name. Here I will be connecting the new SSID wireless name. Okay, click on connect and it will ask you for the password, which I have recently changed. Okay, click on next. Once you click on next, it will be connected here. Okay, so in this way friends, we can change the SSID of your Jio wireless router. Okay, thanks for watching friends. If you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe for my channel, and to get notified for upcoming videos. Bye.